Watch this guy. I don't think he's looking at us. Yep. Hold on. Stay, stop. Hey guys, Richard here. Amanda's over there. We've been working in the garage today. Amanda finished up putting the baskets and fenders and stuff on the Mooncool MC350. I was pedaling around doing a few other little things, and now we're getting ready to go grab some lunch. So we're going to go down to Choo Choo's. Yeah, you were saying, what is a Choo Choo? Choo Choo is a great little truck, barbecue truck trailer type thing. And they've got some of the best barbecue that we've ever had. So yeah, we're going to go down there and grab some barbecue sandwiches, bring them back here for lunch. So that's what the plan is. Let's see here. I'm going to be riding the Ansky. The Ansky Spark or S700. Amanda wants to ride the new Hemingway D5 Pro, so she's only ridden that once, and so she's going to take that out and see what she thinks, and yeah, go from there. You dancing for us? Let's close the door. Let's get going. It is a windy, blustery day today, so yeah, there could be some wind noise, even though we have, windsock and everything on our microphone. It is blowing so hard today because we had a lot of rain earlier, so it is possible that, yeah, we're still going to get some wind noise. But we'll see. We'll do the best we can. Hold on. You know what? I'll get my phone in here. This is not my favorite phone holder, but it works. There we go. Good place for that. I'm powered up. Are you ready to go? Okay. Now that bike, the throttle is really slow. So when you hit the throttle only, it kind of goes slow. So it helps if you actually pedal it a little bit. And with this one, you'll figure it out. You can use the gears over there. Unlike most bikes where you don't even mess with the gears, this one, it helps to use the gears. Okay? But you'll figure it out as we get going. All right, here we go. All right. Woo, that wind is just kicking. Can you hear me, Amanda? You think that people's on the camera can hear you?
I don't know. We're going to find out.
We're going to find out. So I do have the wireless microphone repositioned. It is up near my left ear, which is near the microphone on the helmet. So maybe you can hear me and maybe you can hear Amanda when we're talking. Make things a little easier. So you're not just hearing one-sided conversation. Now sometimes Amanda has a camera, and when she does, then she records her voice on her camera, and then we push the we put the two videos together, and that's why you hear both sides of the conversation, because her voice gets recorded on her camera. But she's not wearing one today, so we're going to try to capture her through the helmet. Okay, Amanda, there's a pedestrian up here on the sidewalk, so when we get ready to jump out there, be careful with that. And it does look clear, so we can go across. Hello.
Hey. How you doing?
Good, thanks. All right. How you like that bike, Amanda? Yeah, you know what? That's something we needed to do today. I wished I had remembered it before we got it back out, but since we had it in the sand the other day, they need to be rinsed out, and I forgot to do that. So, yeah, maybe we don't tear up the brake pads too much. We'll just do it when we get home. Hope for the best. Woo! Boy, we got a lot of headwind. Got a car here, so let's be careful. I don't know if they're looking at us. You like it or no? You're not really saying much. Yeah, so that's what a torque sensor is. You have to pedal, because if you don't pedal, then you're not going to go anywhere. The torque sensor says, hey, you're pedaling, and however much pressure you put on the pedals, then the motor responds accordingly and gives you some back. Unlike a regular cadence sensor, which you're most familiar with, those you can just casually spin the pedals without putting in any effort, and the bike will take off and go. So that's the difference between the two. Those clouds are whipping by pretty quick. Hey Amanda, guess what?
What?
The ANSky wasn't charged. So when I checked it earlier, it showed that it had 5 bars, but now that I'm riding it, it's down to 2 bars. I don't know if I'll make it. Especially with us going into a headwind like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to slow down probably to conserve it. So I'm gonna put it in pedal assist 3. I don't like it when, you know, some bikes do this where they don't give you a good accurate reading on your battery level. I don't like that at all. At least on the way back, we'll be going with the wind, and that'll help me. It is a little windy. There's a lot of traffic today. Okay, watch this car. He's not looking at us. He's only looking the other direction. You ran over a rock and it shot it?
That's what I'm hoping happened.
That's what it sounded like? It sounded like you pinched a rock and it shot it out. Tires are still inflated, right?
Yeah. As far
Okay.
as I can tell.
It was pretty loud. At first I thought it was my bike, but it was yours?
It was mine.
Okay. What's your battery level say?
80%.
80? That's nice. So we rode 20 miles on that ride on Thursday, and I never charged it. And it's still at 80%, so that's pretty good. There's a couple of reasons for that. That motor is a 500 watt motor. So 500 watts is less than, wait, watch this right here, debris. 500 watts is less than 750 watts, right? I mean, it's a smaller motor, so it doesn't take as much energy. So that's one thing. Even though it's only a 500 watt, it still has a lot of power because it's a mid-drive motor. So the motor is between your feet instead of on the wheels. So you get a lot of power still. Watch this guy. I don't think he's looking at us. Yep. Hold on. Stay, stop. Butt crack. Well, the man almost got whacked.
I saw him. He was pulling out and didn't look at me, so I didn't even move.
He's got tinted windows, and since it's not a sunny day, it was hard to see, but I thought he turned and looked at me. That's what it looked like. I always try to look at the driver to see if they're looking at us at all, or if they're only looking at traffic, and if they're only looking at traffic, I'll stop and wait. But I'm pretty sure he turned his head and saw me, but maybe he didn't see you. But I couldn't see inside the windshield too well, so maybe I was mistaken. Nope, trust no one, help no one. There's a radio station in Tampa. That's one of the things they say every day. They're constantly just reminding people, you don't trust no one, and their mantra is help no one. Meaning, somebody comes along and says, hey, can you help me? My car broke down, or whatever. No. You know, call AAA, call a friend, but I'm not helping you. Because it's often that, you know, people will prey on women and say, hey, can you help me? You know, I got my keys in my car, my kid is in there, or something to stir up the emotions of a woman, you know, a mother figure. And then when they get them close to their car, they snatch them. So this radio station's mantra is, you know, trust no one, help no one, and it kind of sticks.
It does. It said
Yeah, it really is. Because I've always wanted to help people. I've always tried to help people, but it's at the point now where you can't. You know, or you can, but you probably shouldn't. All right. It's safe to cross. There is a bicyclist coming. Right here, coming towards us. Hello. Oh, I think I felt a raindrop. I hope not. If so, it is what it is.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! I'm so excited.
All right, clear left, right, center, all around us. Whoa, there's an island there. I almost ran over the island. Go around it.
I swear, this guy has ruined me for barbecue.
Look, this guy it's so good, he can't wait. He's going to eat it right there.
I don't like it.
You know what you want? The sandwiches? Heck yeah. Oh, let's show you. With the two sides? Or... Huh? Oh, look. Hi, good. How are you? We got the dessert lady over here again today. We're going to have to partake? Okay, we'll come see you in a minute.
Okay, no worries.
We're going to get 3 pork sandwich dinners.
Okay.
What do you want? Coleslaw and what else?
Probably,
There's beans or potato salad?
probably beans.
All 3 with coleslaw, 1 with beans, and 2 with potato salad.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, while we're waiting,
All kinds of things. I got zucchini and pumpkin, apple cake, sour cream pound cake, my brownies, all my different cookies.
no. Now, we had the zucchini once before, and that was outstanding.
Thank you.
It was really good. But this brownie is like, it's worth the $5. So I'm going to take a brownie.
Yeah.
It is. Well, you can kind of break this up if you have the willpower and make it into 3 or 4 servings.
Yes.
What do you want? A giant cookie? A brownie? You want the brownie? I'm not sharing mine.
You don't have to share.
Look, guys, I'm not sharing the brownie with Amanda. This thing weighs like a pound.
I'm actually, I've never weighed them, so.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. You got me
I'll
wondering
take a
now.
brownie too.
All right.
I have some.
So 2
Yeah,
brownies.
so, okay.
I enjoyed it for a couple days.
And then you can like put it in his face. I'm not sharing mine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you. We will. Oh my goodness.
All 3 with coleslaw.
Both of them, all of them coleslaw. 3 of them. Mm-hmm.
1 bean and the other 2 with potato salad.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
1 bean. 2 potato salad.
Double beans?
No. All of them with coleslaw. All of them
Should
get
have got change from her.
2 potato salad. Okay. And then 1 with bean. Everything coleslaw.
Which one with beans? Which one with beans?
Last up.
Which one with beans?
Coleslaw and beans. All of them get coleslaw. See what I'm saying? All of them get coleslaw. One of them gets.
With beans. With coleslaw.
Okay, coleslaw going there. Okay. 2 of them get.
I look pretty stupid with this little thing dangling off my ear over here. Look. Look, can you see me in the window there? Got this little microphone dangling over here off my big old fuzzy thing on it.
Maybe you're catching my voice, hopefully.
I'm hoping to catch it.
What kind of sauce you need?
Just regular, nothing spicy.
Nothing spicy.
Yeah, just,
Okay.
just your regular one.
Okay.
You didn't want spicy, did you? No. Amanda, what did you do? Amanda was trying to like do some pole dancing or something, and it started to collapse over here.
Need $30.
There you go. Appreciate you.
Okay. All right, you got change coming.
No, you keep
All
it.
right, thanks, sir.
It's worth it. Take care.
All right, y'all have a great day.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, hold on, Amanda. I always forget this part. I always forget this. And people are always like, oh, you never show us your food. So I'm going to show them the food. Guys, $10. You don't get this anywhere. Look at that. 2 sandwiches. Coleslaw and potato salad on that one for $10. Now his sign I thought said, didn't it say 15? Rib sandwich. Oh. Yeah, that's rib. So the pulled pork dinner, 2 sides, it is, yep. $10. You can't beat that. You can't pay $10 for a nasty McDonald's hamburger. And this is made fresh right here. That sauce is going to roll all over the place. All right, and we'll put our brownies up here.
All right, y'all YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Well, y'all YouTube up.
Yeah, YouTube. Thank you.
All right, y'all take care.
You too now.
Make sure y'all tell them about this good food you give them choo-choo.
I just showed them what it looked like and what a great price it is.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, y'all enjoy.
We will.
And don't forget about Chunky Chick.
Hey,
Make it time.
we just visited her and got a couple of 1-pound brownies. So. There we go. You ready? Yeah. We're going to go through the parking lot. All right, guys, another video wrapped up. Amanda and I went to lunch. This time you saw what we had for lunch, so give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new here. See you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe. Oh boy. Yeah. Get this over here so we can get the N-Sky on charge. And we probably wouldn't hurt to top off the Hemingway either. Yeah, let's top that off too then. Smash.